Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to put money on DoorDash Crimson Card. First, open the Dasher app on your phone and sign in. Tap on the Earnings tab at the bottom. Next, tap on View Account Details. On this screen, you will see two important numbers. One is the routing number and the other is the account number. These numbers belong to your Crimson Card account. Now open your personal bank app or website. Log in and go to the Transfers or External Accounts section. Tap on Add a new bank account. When asked for the routing number, type in the Crimson routing number from the Dasher app. Then type in the Crimson account number. Choose checking account when asked for account type. Save the account. Your bank may ask you to confirm ownership. This could be done by small test deposits or instant verification. Once the Crimson account is verified, go back to the Transfer section. Choose Transfer Money. Select your personal bank account as the sender and the Crimson account as the receiver. Now enter the amount you want to send. For example, type in $50. Review the details carefully. Make sure the amount and account are correct. Tap Confirm or Submit. Your bank will show a confirmation screen. The transfer may take 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. Thanks for watching.